Maybe bangawina ngo-2-0, 3-0, 4-0. Bazawina today because of bagodi la bedlala for nothing. But when they were racing for a league, bekunzima. So we are behind the boys. Let's just hope ukuthi iPirates ingawina and then immiracle ingenzeka because now sesiyathandaza for imiracle yokuthi yenzeke. Last week besisithi ii-chances zikhona kwi-Pirates ingawina i-league, but now sesisithi only miracle can happen ukuze i-Pirates iwin i-league. So i-miracle ke kukuba i-Sundowns xa ibuya kwi-Champions League maybe lose i-game or 2 games. I-miracle there because Sundowns asayibona lose i-game or 2 games in this championship for a very long time. So that's why ndithi miracle. So thina sesimele siwine each and every game esidibana nayo up until the last day. We know nge-26 of this month sineSoweto derby, guys. ISoweto derby, I know that's our 3 points there. Make your 3 points way to do. And our closely, it's either so win go 1-0, 2-0, 3-0. 3-1, 4-1, 2-1, but with 3 point weight. As usual, in the last 5 games, Pirates win 5 matches against Kaizer Chiefs, so-called big team Kaizer Chiefs. So we win 5 against them in the last 5 games. So I don't think nge-26 kuzawuba khona into ezawutshintsha or team. So just a continuation. Siqhubeka apho besiyeke khona. Umbuzo umile nje how many goals esizayiscore against Kaizer Chiefs on that day, but for 3 points it's guaranteed siyathatha 3 points. But for them ukuze basenzele ifavor, at least i-draw against Mamelodi Sundowns, guys, please siyanicela before yonke into iqhubeke, at least i-draw against Mamelodi Sundowns. Maybe, just maybe, can do a favor for Orlando Pirates, guys. So today, let us enjoy a game. Let us enjoy a game. And ndiyacela guys, ngicela sibe behind Mamelodi Sundowns namhlanje. Sibe behind Mamelodi Sundowns, sibe zii-fans ze-Sundowns because Sundowns I think iyayideserve nyani the trophy after a very long time. Iyayideserve the trophy. And yesibonakalisile the last time bijike ku-final, I think the season before bajike ku-semis, and then each and every season baba kwi-semi or quarterfinals, and then you see indlela abalusa ngayo. Those are the small margins, and then you can say what, okay, this is a very good team, just that biba unlucky and unfortunately kwezinye ndawo. So I think this is a season abazowina kuyo the CAF Champions League. And then guys, i-Pirates yona next season maybe, just maybe, if ingaya kwi-market isayine players, guys, because we need a top striker and then a coach alright, because there's no coach in Pirates. That's got to be clear, guys. We must be clear. There's no coach. Okay, let me say she's no coach, but that's not a manager. Umuntu understand, because she need experience. If i-Pirates ingaya somewhere, or let's say ihambe iye ku-coach eSaudi kwi-CV yakhe, sifumane maybe wapromote iBurnley, maybe 2008, 2009 wayipromote iBurnley, then wake wawina FA Cup ngeBlackburn FC, maybe back then lo coach lona wake waqualify for i-Champions League ngeteam ethile. Lo coach lona wake waqualifyisa for i-World Cup squad. Then sinede ucoach onjalo for i-Orlando Pirates. Let's look at the Al Ahly, guys. Al Ahly ucoach usuka ku-Augsburg. Augsburg siyayazi uba yenye yeetim ezi-serious or ezinkulu kwi-Bundesliga. Augsburg iteam egeyina ipromotion iphinde relegate sometimes. That i-football club engingasho sithi na sithatha umzekelo kuyo. But for i-Pirates, it's a big club, guys. Jongo ucoach wethu Jose Rivero uya ku-Al was given just 7 games. Just 7 games. And then they said, oh, it's enough for us. He's not good for Al. And then go to praise as if one of the best coaches that we have ever had. And no, guys, no. Sitting on coach of serious. Imagine if it was only 7 games, then bam coach Al. That means standard is say to say low in terms of a coaching and everything. So sitting on coach, as soon as sifumana ucoach uzokwazi ucoach ukwahlula i-average player ne-top player, because the moment usayina ucoach oyi-average yena self, that means there are chances, or there are high chances that uzosithengela i-players ezi-average, because kwayena uyi-average. Imagine ucoach wakhe usithengela uChabatsane, usithengela uMsendami. What are they doing for i-Orlando Pirates? Benzani for i-Orlando Pirates? How many games abayidlalile ever since bethengiwe i-Pirates abubani? How many goals abayiskorile ever since bedlala i-Pirates? How many assists? So those are the average players, of which you don't need average players in this football club. And then if usayina ucoach ozawukwazi uba okay, now we need a striker, not Umbutu. We need a top striker who can finish noba ngephi i-angle, noba yinhloko, noba uze enhloko, noba uze edolweni, noba uze ngephi indawo, iyafinish. Striker like Fiston Mayele. Yes. Une-striker bo-Fiston Mayele, ungayi-Africa, there's i-striker ezenza sure each and every season ziscora 20 plus goals. Imagine if i-Pirates ingana-striker escora 20 plus goals. Ingabaphi? If our Mbuthuma can score 1 goal and keep it consistent, akascore nakwenye game. Consistency yakhe akascore. Defensive striker all the way akascore. Merely 1 goal per season. Next season 1. The following season 1. And then the City Buses will chase Sundowns. No Reyners on a 10 plus already. I-second striker ka-Reyners already naye ina 5 plus, of which maybe it's Shalulile or Sales, or like each and everyone. Like I was so shocked. The Pirates ivela kukho le statistics, some most like big chances missed. Yeah, big chances missed. Number 1 Umbuthuma, number 2 Makgopa. Like, what is this? Siphi? Number 1 ngumbuthuma, number 2 Makgopa, and the rest ngabe izikhokhune nabantoni. Like, good top 10 missed chances, best chances missed. Umbuthuma number 1, Makgopa later. These strikers yi-2 ze-Pirates. And then what else we can say about this striking department in Pirates? So guys, please let us be serious. Sifuna ukuwina i-championship. Sidiniwe zii-MTN 8 ne-Nedbank neentoni, sidiniwe ziso. Sifuna just i-league. We are done. Maybe uCAF singambona kwenye season, but for now sisadinga i-league. If singawina i-league this season or next season, then now we can turn our focus uba okay, sifocus on CAF. But if ngoku coach wethu lose uCAF, we are fine. We were fine, my coach was Lupopo. We were just fine because we understand that okay, sisadinga i-championship ye-league. Asimind CAF in that moment. But as soon as ngoku uba simbona okay, uluza even the league, Intoni enye sizawubhizi sibhreka nge-M_T_N 8 and Nedbank, I mean the calling yethu, never. That means istandard sethu ngosiyasehlisa sesisa kwese-chips.